This brief video is part of a larger series exploring the new NX measure command. In this video, I'll show you the quick information tooltips on hover. So in this little assembly here, we have a little case here that I'm going to hide for just a minute. And as we go into the measure command, before we select anything, even before we select anything, as we mouse over objects out here in the graphics area, you can see that we'll display some tooltips that will give us some basic things that we know about these objects. So this spline here, for instance, we can see the length of that spline, or this spline over here that's a little shorter, for instance, or this closed spline that's even shorter. Or for instance, as we move over a planar face, we can look at the area and perimeter of that face, for instance, like these, right? If we move over a cylindrical face, for instance, we now know a radius about that face, so we can display a radius in addition to the area and perimeter. Or a spherical face here, similarly see a radius. This conical face, we can see the angle of that conical face there in that example. Okay, so again, these are the quick tooltips on hover. These will give us some information, even without clicking, on basic measurements of objects within our view.